Hey, Bonetta, I'm making this to see if I can help you with making an editable PDF, like changing a PDF into something they can write on. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find a PDF, and I actually already have. I pulled up this. I just happened to find this. It's just a little paragraph writing thing. So I have that pulled up. Now I'm going to go to Google Slides, and I'm going to make a new slide. So I'm going to pull up, go to Drive, or I can just make a new slide from here. Go to Google Slides. This would also work as a document also. Um, then I'm going to make a blank slide. I'm going to make a new one. And I'm going to go ahead and call this, I'm going to call it Miss Hawkins. It's easier. If you name it first, it always makes it easier to find. All right. Okay. So then I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of this extra stuff. So delete, delete. And now what I want to do is I want to go back to that PDF, any kind of PDF I want them to write on. And I'm going to take a picture of it, an image shot. And I always use this snipping tool. And there's different ones you can use. So I'm going to snip this out. So I'm going to snip it. I'm going to save it. Then I'm going to go back to the Google slide I opened. And I'm going to insert it as a background. So I'm going to click on background. And we do this so then they can't move anything that you use as a background. So I'm going to choose the image. Because if I copied and pasted it on there, they'd be able to delete it possibly. So I'm going to choose that. And there it is. So now I can't move it or change it or anything. So now I'm going to go in and just add text boxes where I want them to insert text. So I clicked on text box, and I'll make a text box right up here. And I'm going to go ahead and outline the text box just to make it easier to see it. But that can be changed. And then when they go to type, they'll just click in there and they can start typing. Oh, wow, wow. So then I'm going to go ahead and make another text box. Right there. And I'm going to go ahead and outline it just to make it easy to see. Same thing down here. Except on these, I'm going to go ahead and just copy it. Well, let me make the dots first. I'm going to do that, make the dots, then I'm going to copy it. Come on. And then I'm just going to copy paste. Copy paste. Paste. Or I'm not copying, I'm just pasting. Paste. And then I just go back and I clean that up just a little bit. I didn't use the lines at first, but with my kids, I decided to use the lines so then they could see exactly where they're typing. And really, that's it. And after you get all of the lines you want to make, and this can be on any kind of document. So now I'm going to save it. When I save it, I'm going to go up here, and this is really, can you do this anything? Up here in your bar, your toolbar, there's the URL. I'm going to change where it says edit. Where did it go? Edit to copy. COPY. So now when you go to say send this out to the kids or anybody, it's going to make them make a copy of it so they won't mess with the master. So that's how you create a PDF, or I'm sorry, create a editable document from a PDF. Let me know if this helps.